Hey Tech Farm, it's your go-go guru for all things cutting edge, and today we are diving into the highly anticipated Nothing Phone 3. Buckle up because the leaks are in, the rumors are wild, and we've got the scoop of its official launch date, specs, and AI-powered surprises. Let's break it down. First, when is this thing dropping? Nothing has been playing it coy, but here's what we know. The Phone 1 and Phone 2 both launched in July 2022 and July 2023, right? Well, multiple insiders, including a tips here, Abhishek Yadav, claims the Phone 3 will follow the same pattern, targeting July release date. That's a 2-year gap since the Phone 2, hitting at major upgrades. But wait, why the delay? CEO Carl Pei teased that this phone is still cooking with a heavy focus on AI innovations. Mark your calendars on mid-July 2025. That's when the leaks suggest a big reveal. Now let's talk about the hardware. Camera fans rejoice. The Phone 3 might debut Nothing's Phone first triple lens setup, a 50 megapixel main sensor and a 50 megapixel ultra wide and a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom. Pair that with Sony latest sensor and we are looking at a massive leap for the Phone 2 dual cameras. But here's the real game changer, AI. Nothing is bigger than the AI integration with features like enhanced circle to search, a smart drawer for app organization, and even a personalized AI assistant. Pei hinted himself that AI will be deeply embedded into Nothing OS 3.5, promising a revamped home screen and a smarter daily workflow. Design-wise, expect the iconic Clioth LED but with a twist. Leaks suggest a new layout for the light strips and a sleeker metal and glass build. Oh, the rumors of the QI2 charging could mean massive like accessories. Finally, now the $1 million question. How much in India the Phone 2X is expected to start? Around 45,000 to 50,000 rupees, slightly pricier than the Phone 2. Global pricing likely to start at 599, but don't be shocked if the creeps towards 800 for top tier specs. So there you have it. July 2025 is the month to watch. Will the Phone 3 redefine mid-range flagships? Let me know your thoughts below. Smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss out on a hands-on review. Until next time, keep it techy, keep it fresh.